And some of his cadets also have told me that he was very strict and particular about the training time. And even during this shooting firing range, he would say mistakes are not at all acceptable in the army. And my father, who was running around and encouraging and motivating people to fight hard and fighting himself hand to hand. He saw the officer crouching in the trench. He went and tapped him on the shoulder and gave him the gun, and he said, "Now you fight with this gun. Take this gun and fight, and don't give up. You have to take 10 with you. Even if you die, you have to take 10 with you. You will not die alone." He said that's what his famous was. Gorkha motto is Kafir Hunu Banda Marnu Ramro.
जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी क्या मेरे वतन के लोगों.
For the regiment, that is the 8th Gurkhas, he has been the father figure all the time.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी क्या मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
धन सिंह थापा हाम्रो प्राउड हिरो बहुत राम्रो. धन सिंह थापा भन्ने कुरो जो यो बाटोको नाम दिएछ अरू जग्गामा छैन, यहाँ खाली छैन, दार्जिलिङमा छ, नेपालमा छ.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
इतना जितना भी कहूँ कम है. देश के लिए किया हुआ है उन्होंने. एक गोरखा होकर भारत माता के लिए ये लड़ना एक बहुत ही सौभाग्य की बात है. और ये तो हमारे पूरा गोरखा यूनिट के लिए एक मिसाल है.
मैं एकदम ग्रेटली भन्न सक्छु कि वो एउटा बहादुर आर्मी थियो.
In his childhood also, he was a typical mountain boy and he was a self-made man, and he used to always say that even ordinary men can become extraordinary at the time the challenges rise in front of them.
बता दो मुसाफिर सितारों से आगे ये कैसा समा है कहाँ ले चले हो बता दो मुसाफिर सितारों से.
Even in our childhood, I always remember my mother telling us the stories of my father's bravery, of how as army man he was loyal to the core, to his profession, and how he believed that honor came first.
As a father, I feel that he was very strict. He had no qualms about giving us a whack every time we did something wrong. Yeah, we were hitting my elder sister and we almost like killed her that day. And Dad suddenly came out to see what's happening, and then all two of us were whacked, my brother and
Not
I.
me.
Yeah,
Mom was a Hitler.
Mama was Hitler. The minute you did this, you didn't do anything she said, or you did something wrong, out came our school belts and tarak.
And Daddy used to send us, from the thing, he used to send us apples in crates. And we used to eat the apples, but the crate ka that board na patta, that used to be used by my mother for whacking us, because she was with 4 kids in a separated family. Dad was never there, so she had to handle all of us 4 kids, And these two were very naughty. So out came the crate
Vac, yeah.
and the vac from mom.
Whenever I came home after I got married and all, first thing dad would ask, when are you going back? Can I get your tickets done? That felt like very hurt and upset. So later I got to know it was like he felt like, I should be with my in-laws, with my husband and
उनको ना ड्यूटी से अपना बहुत होता है, अपने पलटन से बहुत था,
He was an army man.
आर्मी में बहुत ही
First
होता है।
and last.
हाँ, मतलब कि एक बार वो इंस्पेक्शन था, लेकिन वो इतने बीमार हो गए कि उठ नहीं सकते थे, बिल्कुल हिल नहीं सकते थे, उठ नहीं सकते थे। लेकिन इंस्पेक्शन था, जाना था उन्होंने, तो 4 जवानों को बुला के कुर्सी लाए, कुर्सी में उनको बिठा के फिर उनको कार में वहाँ तक ले गए, उठा के जवान, फिर उन कार में डाला, फिर कार गया ऑफिस में जाके वहाँ बैठे, तो उनको उतार के वहाँ बिठाया, फिर गए। लेकिन इतना मतलब दर्द था तब, इतना ड्यूटी से इतना प्यार था उनका बहुत ही, और इंडिया से तो बहुत ही प्यार था। एक बार ही फ्लैग किसी से गिर गया था, फ्लैग एक ना कपड़े का, तो वो था, वो किसी से गिर गया था, पता नहीं बच्चों से गिर गया था, इतना चिल्लाए कि जमीन में पड़ा रहने दिया रहा, ये वो जानते हो ये करके, वो इतना गुस्से हुए, उसको उठाया बहुत प्यार से ना।
he loved meeting people. He was like forever interested in everything. Like
And even after retired, he would love to attend the army function.
जहाँ बैंड बजता था डांस शुरू हो जाता था, डांस करना एकदम मस्त अपना ना।
he was a good footballer. In fact, young days he loved football. He loved playing cards. He loved playing bridge, rummy, just
Like
about
watching
anything.
movies.
Yeah, and he cried a lot in movies. He used to cry like a baby if there was a sad movie going on. And boring movie, he'd go to sleep.
And he loved cooking himself also. I remember as children, he would cook, he would make noodles or he would make cutlets for us. He used to like cooking. So that was another aspect of him.
बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करते थे, बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी बनाने को तैयार। डोनट वगैरह बच्चों ने बोला कि डोनट खाना है डैडी, डोनट बनाने को तैयार, मतलब ना इतना बच्चों को।
But he was so messy in the kitchen that mom disallowed him to go in the kitchen more than at least not very often.
And even for the Republic Day parade, he was suffering from this kidney failure, both the kidney failures. He went and
His willpower
was so strong that he went and he completed that parade. That was his last Republic Day parade.
Years when he wasn't too well with his kidney failure, he wouldn't eat too much, he'd get nauseated and all. So I would cook like special food for him, try different things so that he eats a little bit. And every time I asked him, Dad, how's the food? He'd say A1. I mean, I would cook just anything and he would say A1. It's beautiful, it's perfect. That's the
There, he was hospitalized. People would come to meet him. He would always say, "How are you?" He would always say, "Fit and fine." I'm fit and fine, and the thumbs up sign he would give, and he said, "I'm fit," and a smile. That is something I always remember about him. Is
मुझे तो बहुत ही प्यार करते थे, बहुत ही, जो मैं कहूँ होता ही था। मतलब कभी मना नहीं किया कहीं जाने के लिए, कुछ करने के लिए, कुछ भी सीखूं या कहीं भी कुछ भी करूँ, कभी नहीं मना किया, बहुत ही।
My father was a very liberal person. He was a very modern thinking kind of a person. All the women also to the forefront. He did not at all have any kind of a regressive thinking, and he was always very proud of our achievements, as well as my mother also. He loved her singing, and he used to always push her to the front.
Our daddy, and he felt very bad when I cleaned him up, and he had a tear in his eye. And then I said, am I not your daughter? Your 3 daughters are doing it for you. I'm also doing it. After that, he was very cool. He says, make me wear the diaper now. I said, okay, I'll make you wear the diaper. So I did spend a lot of time with him. And we all 4 of us, 5 of us now, we all used to say that, we will not have any nurse or anybody to do it. If we have so many kids, we should not have anyone and we should do it for it.
And then for his last birthday, we took him to Goa. We arranged a holiday there in Goa. His last birthday, then we cut his cake on the beach. We took him to the beach in the wheelchair. He went on the wheelchair. He was a family man. First an army man, then a family man.
रात ये चांदनी फिर कहाँ, सुन जा दिल की दास्तां। ये रात ये चांदनी फिर कहाँ, सुन जा दिल की दास्तां।